Imagine walking into your greenhouse in spring, only to find all your pepper plants dead. Shriveled stems, rotting roots, and not a chance of saving them. Months of care, all wiped out by one mistake. Even the most experienced gardener can face this nightmare. But there is a way to avoid this disaster and ensure your peppers thrive. Today, I'll show you how to overwinter your plants so they not only survive but come back stronger with a record harvest in the spring. When should you start preparing your peppers for winter? As soon as nighttime temperatures drop below 10 degrees Celsius, it's time to act. This helps prevent stress on the plants and keeps them healthy through the winter. Before transplanting, always use fresh, light soil with good drainage. For example, Fox Farm Ocean Forest potting soil is a great choice because it's enriched with compost and prevents water from pooling, which can often happen with regular garden soil. How do you choose the right pot? It's best to use plastic pots at least 12 inches in diameter, like the HC Company's planter with saucer. These pots provide excellent drainage and are easy to move around indoors. Unlike ceramic pots, which can crack in cold temperatures, plastic pots are more durable and easier to handle. Should you fertilize your peppers before winter? No, fertilizers aren't needed now. They could cause unwanted growth. Instead, focus on pruning the plant so it can go into dormancy. Prune it back, leaving just the main stems and a few nodes, which will sprout new growth in the spring. Use quality pruners like the Fiskars Steel Bypass Pruning Shears. Unlike cheaper tools that often break or dull quickly, these pruners provide clean, precise cuts, minimizing stress on the plant. How do you keep the plant in dormancy? Place it in a cool spot with temperatures around 13 degrees. If there isn't enough light, use full-spectrum grow lights to provide 6 to 8 hours of light per day. For example, Spider Farmer SF1000 LED. Grow light not only mimics the spectrum of sunlight effectively, but also consumes significantly less energy than regular incandescent bulbs, making it a more economical and effective choice. If your pepper leaves start to yellow, it could be a sign of overwatering or insufficient light. Water less frequently in winter, only when the top layer of soil is completely dry. If light is lacking, consider alternative lighting options like cool white fluorescent bulbs, 6500K. While they may not be as effective as full-spectrum lights, they can still support minimal photosynthesis. What should you do if pests appear in your pots? Treat your plants with insecticidal soap or neem oil, repeating the treatment every 1 to 2 weeks. Harris Neem Oil Concentrate is a natural solution that effectively fights pests like aphids and spider mites without harming your plants. Unlike chemical insecticides that can be dangerous for the environment, neem oil is a safe and eco-friendly option. What if the air in your home is too dry? This can negatively affect your plants. Use a humidifier or place water containers near the plants to increase humidity. Regular misting also helps, but don't overdo it to avoid creating conditions for mold. When and how should you return your peppers outdoors in spring? As soon as the temperature consistently stays above 15 degrees Celsius, start bringing your plants outside for a few hours a day, gradually increasing their time outdoors. This helps avoid shock from sudden changes in conditions. How long can peppers stay in dormancy? Usually for several months, but once you see new shoots or leaves, that's a sign your plant is ready to wake up. And now, your peppers are ready for the new season. They haven't just survived, they've become stronger and are ready to deliver a record harvest. All the tools and materials we used in this video can be easily found in video description, so you can replicate this process and achieve excellent results. Try this method this winter, and by spring, your efforts will pay off in abundance.